To get into your Colaboratory notebook, you first need to go to your Stanford Google Drive. The easiest way to get there is to go to webdocs.stanford.edu. That'll push you into a Stanford login. Go ahead and log in. Probably ask you for two-factor, so go ahead and do that as well. Note, if you were just trying to do Colaboratory without Stanford, you would just go to your Google Drive via your personal account. But since we need to do this through the Stanford account, you have to go through this process. You'll know you're in the Stanford Google Drive if you see Stanford in this top left or top right corner. Now, by default, Colaboratory is not installed on your Google Drive. So to add it, you have to add the app. So you go to New, you go over here to More, and you scroll all the way down to Connect More Apps. It'll show up with a window, and you type in Colab, C-O-L-A-B, and then you see the yellow CO, colab.research.google.com, and a blue Connect button. Hit the Connect, it'll check, you hit OK, and now you've attached Colaboratory to your Google Drive. Now you're ready to launch a Colaboratory notebook. So you go to New again, you go to More, and there you see Colaboratory under the menu below Google Sites. You click that button, it'll launch a new tab, and after a little processing, it'll drop you into a blank Colaboratory notebook with which you can start doing Python. There you go. How satisfied am I with Colaboratory? I'm very satisfied.